Hi there, let me show you a common way for beginner guitarists to play guitar. If that's you, maybe you want to think about changing that and adding something to make it a touch more interesting. Let's get into this. Hi there, in this short beginner's guitar lesson, I'm going to show you a very simple technique that you can use to improve your strumming and to give you a little bit more of a professional sound. So we're just going to focus on the A chord, and the A chord, you play the top 5 strings, like so. And a way to really improve that strumming is by simply adding a bass note on the first beat. And the bass note in the chord of A is played at the 5th string because it's the open A string. So if we just pick that on the first beat of the bar, and if we're in 4/4 time, we're going to be playing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pick, strum, 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 pick, strum, strum, strum. Very much like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. One thing we can do to jazz up the strumming a little bit is by alternating the rhythm, having some downstrokes and upstrokes on the right hand or your strumming hand. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Beginning to sound a little bit more interesting. So we've just been playing the bass note, just that open A string. Something else we can do to make it a bit more interesting is by adding another bass note. And for this, what we're going to do is to play the open E string, the low 6th string. And when we add this open 6th string, this will be played on the 3rd beat of the bar. So the first beat and the 3rd beat will be the pick. The 2nd and the 4th beats will be the strum. So pick, strum, pick, strum. So something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So getting slightly country and westernish there, don't you think? A simple pick strum technique like that will give your playing a little bit more than just a beginner strumming feel to it. It'll push you up a level a little bit. And it's also really great fun to play. There are so many country songs that use this pattern. Thanks for watching and happy strumming. And if you're not busy right now, why don't you check out this video right here.